G'day YouTube, Quacker John here. Today I'm comparing the Musarri exhaust with the Delkevic exhaust to see which is better. The choice of exhaust for your Vulcan S is a personal choice. And what I say in this video is an analysis of the two exhaust systems coupled with my personal opinion. We will look at how they look, how they sound, what options are available for the Musarri exhaust. We will do a price comparison, and then I will give you my opinion of which is better. Firstly, we will look at how the exhaust systems look on the bike. Here we have a side-by-side photograph of the Street Series GP Musarri exhaust and the 550mm 21-inch bull-nose Delkevic exhaust. What we can see is that the Street Series GP Musarri exhaust is shorter and a more compact exhaust system. Now we will do a sound comparison of the various exhaust systems. I will play the videos of each exhaust one after the other without interruption. First there will be the Street Series GP Musarri exhaust on my Vulcan S, followed by the Street Series GP Musarri exhaust on Alan's Vulcan S. Then there will be the 410mm 16-inch slash-cut Delkevic exhaust on my Vulcan S. And lastly, the 550mm 21-inch bull-nose Delkevic exhaust on Alan's Vulcan S.
Okay, well I'm picking up my Vulcan S from the Kawasaki dealer. And it's got the Musarri exhaust on. Okay, it's now pretty well at idling speed. If I'll just give it a little rev.
This is my 2019 Kawasaki Vulcan S, now with the Musarri exhaust. It does have a different sound from the Delkevic. That was 4,000 RPMs.
Okay, I just picked up my Kawasaki Vulcan SE and I'm about to start her up and warm up the engine and hear the exhaust for the first time.
This is 2019 Vulcan S with a 21-inch 550mm Delkevic exhaust.
Now, the Street Series GP Musarri exhaust has 3 exhaust options with different loudness for the one Musarri exhaust. There is the quietness baffle that is already installed in the exhaust that I have on my Vulcan S. There is also the sport baffle, which is a mid-level sounding exhaust. And there is a GP insert which has no baffle and is the loudest Musarri exhaust available. So, with the one Musarri exhaust, there are 3 loudness options that will suit everyone. Here is the price comparison of the various exhaust systems. The Street Series GP Musarri exhaust costs $479.80 Australian dollars. The 410mm 16-inch slash-cut Delkevic exhaust costs $569.95 Australian dollars. And finally, the 550mm 21-inch bullnose Delkevic exhaust system costs $899.95 Australian dollars. So my opinion of the 2 exhaust systems are: the Street Series Musarri exhaust is a short and compact design that looks good on your bike. I personally do not like loud aftermarket exhaust, and the Street Series GP Musarri exhaust has a pleasing sound and loudness with a low rumble that to me is a sweet sound. And I find the Delkevic exhaust too loud for me. The Street Series GP Musarri exhaust has 3 different levels of loudness in the one exhaust system that will suit everyone. And finally, the Street Series GP Musarri exhaust is the cheapest option of all the exhaust systems. With all of these positives, especially the sound of the exhaust, to me, the Street Series GP Musarri exhaust easily wins this comparison to the Delkevic exhaust, and I recommend that you seriously consider the Musarri exhaust for your motorbike. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to the channel. The Quacker John Vulcan S show is on every Friday night at 10 PM Brisbane, Australia time. You are most welcome to join in. You are most welcome to join the Quacker John chat room, and the link for your invitation to join the chat room is in the comments under the video. I publish a book called My Kawasaki Vulcan S Adventures, and it is available on the Amazon website. See ya!